My name is Annie Hebka. I'm one of the nurse practitioners at Complete Children's Health. Today we're going to be going over meal prep for busy families. I'd like to go over today why meal prep is so important. Having healthy foods that require minimal cooking prevents you from reaching for fast food or ultra-processed foods. Fast food can add up quickly in your budget, so this can also be a money saver as well. It also supports intentional eating, making sure that meals have all the nutrients needed to support optimal energy. It can also take the stress out of weekday meals for busy families and individuals. Some people feel overwhelmed with meal prep and not quite sure where to start. Pick which meals you want to meal prep for. Since evenings are typically busy for families, dinner might be a great place to start. Aim for prepping for 3-day intervals so that food stays fresh. Cook your protein in large batches, such as ground hamburger, chicken, hard-boiled eggs, to add to meals during the week. Pick 2 to 3 veggies to keep washed and cut, ready for snacking or to add to stir fries. Also remember that frozen veggies can be a great way to get all the same nutrients but prevent food waste that we can sometimes see with fresh vegetables. It's important for our meals to be blood sugar balanced, and meal prepping is a great way to be intentional about this. Blood sugar balanced meals help promote satiety, provide energy, and maintain a healthy weight. A blood sugar balanced meal should contain a protein, healthy fat, vegetable, and a complex carb or fruit. Here I've outlined just a few ideas for meal prep foods in those 4 categories. Now, many foods are going to have a mixture of one of these 4. What I want you to do is when you're looking at the nutrient label is to look at what is it mostly and then put that into the category below. There are some foods that I like to avoid in meal prep if at all possible. Avoiding ultra-processed foods are going to help make your meals more nutrient dense. Ultra-processed foods are going to be things such as cookies, crackers, chips, pastries, and cereals. These are often high in added sugar and lack the nutrients that whole foods offer. One idea to help generate ideas for meal prep is to mount a dry erase board in the pantry or kitchen where family members can list favorite meals, fruits, vegetables, and protein-rich snacks to help for your next grocery run. Here I've listed some meal prep ideas. For breakfast, it's important to have it be something that is simple, easy, and that can be consumed on the go. Lunch, bento boxes are great for keeping things individualized and fresh while also adding something like a salad dressing or a homemade dip to add in that healthy fat. One thing that I really like doing is actually like a whole fat Greek yogurt and then mixing in ranch dip seasoning. And then this is great as a great way for kids to eat those veggies. For dinner, this is where you're going to rely a lot on your pre-sliced veggies and fruits, and then also your batch cooked protein sources for things like sheet pans dinners, soups, and stir fries. An important part of building healthy habits is to recognize our strengths and also what we're capable of in the time that we have. In other words, know your bandwidth. If meal prep at home is too hard or something that sounds completely miserable, look into a meal prep service. The cost per meal is actually still cheaper than fast food and can cut down on food waste. It's also a great way to get other people into dinner preparation or meal preparation that maybe otherwise would not feel comfortable. If you'd like to learn more or work with us on a one-on-one for nutrition and exercise counseling, reach out to our office to schedule. Also remember to like and subscribe to our channel so that you can never miss out on upcoming nutrition and exercise opportunities.